In this video, we'll explore the best tax software options to consider during tax season, focusing on Keeper, TurboTax, and other alternatives. Here's what we'll cover. First, a comparison between Keeper and TurboTax Home Business. Next, we will look at other alternatives available to you. We'll also discuss important considerations you should keep in mind, followed by a disclaimer to guide you. We kick off with a dive into Keeper versus TurboTax Home Business. These two are primarily sought by individuals who deal with both employment and self-employment income. Starting with ease of use, TurboTax is generally known for being more intuitive compared to Keeper, which could present a steeper learning curve. When it comes to the feature set, while both cover standard tax forms, they may have differences in advanced features particularly beneficial for self-employment deductions. Cost is another crucial factor. Check out both pricing structures, and remember that TurboTax often runs promotions that could influence your decision. Lastly, consider their customer support reputation. Ensure their channels, whether phone, email, or FAQs, meet your expectations. Moving on to alternatives. FreeTaxUSA is a solid free option popular for those with simple tax needs. It's perfect if you're looking to file without incurring additional costs. Additionally, there are several other free filing services, tailored for more straightforward tax situations. These are particularly beneficial for those with lower income or simpler financial affairs. However, do take note of the eligibility requirements as they can differ with each service. Before you file, let's take a look at some important considerations. Firstly, accuracy. Remember, tax software will only be as accurate as the information you provide there. Therefore, double-check all your inputs before submission. Secondly, if your tax situation is more complex, perhaps involving multiple businesses, investments, or intricate deductions, it might be a good idea to consult a tax professional for tailored advice. A disclaimer before we wrap up. The content in this video is intended for informational purposes only. Tax laws can be nuanced and intricate, so in complex cases, seeking professional assistance is advised. Now it's time for a quick quiz. Which software is generally more user-friendly according to our video? Here are your options: Keeper, TurboTax, FreeTaxUSA, or none of the above. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is TurboTax. As discussed, TurboTax boasts a user-friendly interface, making it particularly beneficial for beginners. We thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.